Morning, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com, and the owner of the house hired us because he bought a house and he's remodeling. He already took out the old carpets from the bedrooms. They removed the previous floor that was tile, and they hired us to clean the floor and scrape the lumps. So they're gonna put new tile floor. I have my crew already in that area. I'm gonna record later, and I bring all my supplies. We use a HIPAA vacuum. They are right now scraping the floor, sweeping, and then they're gonna vacuum. This is the area that they need to clean. All the floors need to be clean and prepared. Actually, for tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning they're gonna put new carpet in this master bedroom, this area, and they're gonna put tile in the master bathroom. This is the master bathroom, and this is the first phase. So they hire us to clean and have ready all the floors, like scrape these things. The floor needs to be ready, and all this area is gonna be tile. So they need to scrape and remove everything, those little lumps. This is the laundry area. These lumps needs to be scraped. So the procedure is scrape, sweep, and vacuum. And this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I have all the equipment, the experience, and the crew to do this job. My number is 407-572-4118. And after that, so you can call us at 407-572-4118. I'm gonna start putting some photos and video. Thank you for watching.